Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Meccha Chameleon Failed to Get Online Fix Interface Error. This will be a quick and easy tutorial, so follow me step by step on how to do it. Before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and if you do have any questions, comment down in the comment section down below and I'll ask them further. Without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First step is by going on your start menu and then type in Windows Defender Firewall. Go ahead and click on it. Over here, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Over here, click on Change Settings and go ahead and scroll down until you find the section that says Meccha Chameleon. Make sure to turn on private and public. Make sure to have them ticked on. If it is, go ahead and click on OK on the bottom and try Meccha Chameleon. If it did not work, we have another solution. The next solution is by doing the antivirus on your settings. So on your start menu again, type in antivirus, scroll down, click on manage settings, and over here, turn off real-time protection temporarily. Launch your game while it is turned off and see if the game works properly. And once you are done playing with the game, just go ahead and turn it back on. If it did not work, we have another solution. So the next solution is basically on Steam. So right click on your game, click on properties, install files, and verify integrity of game files. This will fix any temporary or corrupted files on your game. Wait for it to finish though. Don't launch the game yet. Go ahead and close this window out. Right click on your game once more, manage, and then browse local files. Over here, go ahead and right click on Penguin Hotel Disk, the executable file for Meccha Chameleon, and run as administrator. This will fix any error if you do have any in the game. Now, if that does not work, we have the last and best solution that will work for any of the games. So on your browser, go ahead and type in Visual C++ redistributable. Do it like so, right over here. And then on the first official link, just go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and scroll down on the first table, click on latest supported redistributable versions. Go ahead and click on it and download and do the installation process. Restart your PC and launch your game and it should be fixed. I hope you guys find that video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.